Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a great big box. It's very special. I'm only pulling half out today, and you'll see why in just a minute, or in the title. And we're going to open this up and pull one of these girls out and show you how she looks.
I don't know if I can get this.
Do you want to just, there we go.
Boy, that is some kind of thick tape.
Yeah, they really wrap them well. That's like surgical tape or something.
Yeah, and this is not a dull knife.
Oh.
Not a dull knife at all.
Well, it got here all the way from Japan really fast.
Turn it not 180 degrees because I can't cut with my that with my
There you go.
left hand.
So let's see who's in here. Who will I pull out? I don't know if I'll be able to tell who is who. And I don't care who I open first.
Still needs to cut a
Yeah,
little more.
a little bit more. And, okay, it's two separate boxes within the box, and I'm just going to pull one out. So, well, maybe I am. Okay, let's pull one out, and then set the other down. And you'll see who that is in a couple days. Because tomorrow is Barbie that I host with Dory's Dollies. And the challenge for this month's video is vehicles. Any kind of vehicle at all for a Barbie ride. Guess what, Darren? Oh, I need the knife again. Do you want to just turn it off on that one?
Whatever you want.
No, you just cut it.
Trying to be careful so I
Yep.
not
Don't cut me or you or the doll.
Or the doll. Yeah, the doll mostly. I'll heal.
The tote bag.
Oh my goodness! Not the tote bag.
Not the tote bag. Okay.
Did I get it all
Let's
the way?
see if it's marked. Nope, I don't see any markings for the name.
It's a mystery.
Yeah.
Well, we can see that it's Culture Japan.
Right, but I don't know who it is. Which one will I pull out? Yes, I got two. I did. And I know I just got. But when these dolls come up for sale, if you're thinking about getting a smart doll, you have to watch the website. You have to know who you want and be ready to buy, because when these dolls drop, that is, Danny Chu puts them on the Culture Japan site, you have to be ready to buy and ready to buy quickly. Okay, this is a really fun doll. I wasn't going to buy her. I had no intention of buying her. And then I saw one at Puddle. Oh God, she's cute. And that was Sarah from Berry Wings 11 YouTube channel. She had this doll who is, the moon is made of cheese. And she had redressed her. Darren, would you put a photo of Sarah's doll in here?
Sure.
And she had her redressed what I call like a princess in tennis shoes. Oh my God, she was so cute. She had this cute little wig, and I kind of fell in love with it. And when she came up, and then I decided I might want one, but it had to be cinnamon, not the tea, because I have so many in tea. And with it being a mousy little thing, I wanted it white like a lab mouse. Look at the palms on these dolls. Can you see the detail lines in that hand? These dolls are absolutely incredible. Let's open the box, and then I've got something really cute to show you that Darren made for me. And let's see what we got. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, we have the care sheet. If you haven't bought a smart doll, these are included with them, and it tells you how to care for a smart doll. Please read it. Here's her stand, and the stand goes in this hole back here, and it's like a tripod, which kind of hides it for photos, which is really cool. They come in their panties and bra, and here is her wig. Let's see how bad I fight the wig today. Oh, I'm excited. Thank you, Darren. I was only going to get one doll, and Darren encouraged me. Well, actually, he thought I'd get more. He encouraged me to go ahead and get her because she was in the color that I wanted. And like I said, if you want a Smartdoll, you have to watch the website and buy them when you see them, because they come and they go so quickly. Okay, let's see if I can put it on like this, and I might have to shut off the camera and do the wig because I'm not really good at this. Okay, I think maybe. Oh gosh, she's so cute. She is adorkable. Love her. Okay, put your arm like this and turn around. Is she not a cute doll? I mean, just a mousy little girl. The moon is made of cheese. Wait till you see what Darren made. I'm so excited to show you this. Wait a minute, stand. I had seen one with a slice of cheese and some mouse ears, and I thought that was adorable. And I had already thought that I wanted mouse ears. I want to make her a little mouse outfit, you know, like the PJs that are like, what would you call that? Like a Halloween outfit or whatever. So I said, oh, I'm going to need some cheese. Look what Darren did. He made a whole wheel of cheese for me out of individual pieces. Is that the cutest? And isn't that cute? Oh, if I could get it right, y'all could see how cute it is. Oh, I'm a mess. Come on. Well, you get the idea. I'm a mess. I'm a mess. There we go. Nope. Well, you get the idea. It is perfectly round. You want to do it, Dan?
No, I'm not going to do it one-handed.
Then he made, and I should come around. Let me come around. So on a less slick surface, the counter is so slick they were sliding. But isn't that the cutest? And you can just take a piece, take all the pieces. But isn't that adorable? Oh, I love it. So the moon is made of cheese. So I asked for mouse ear headband. So first we made the headband, which he, you know, Darren is. He calibrates and carries on. And then he made these. Oh my God, wait to see.
These are just models.
Yeah, we're just getting started. He said he'd make me other ones, but is that adorable? Oh my God, I love it. I have a wig for her coming and a princess-ish dress. She's going to need tennis shoes because sorry, Sarah, I'm copying, but I can't help it. You have the cutest moon. So this is the moon is made of cheese. I absolutely love her. I will show you the other doll very soon. Join us tomorrow for the Barbie challenge. Again, it's vehicles. Anybody can find a Barbie. You can get those, well, free a lot of times. And any kind of vehicle, and be clever. I mean, if you want to take a box and pull her across the floor in a box, we'll laugh with you. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.